What if I tell you that most parenting struggles are not behavioral problem? They are brain development problem. Tantrum, not listening, screen addiction, low focus. And what we do? We try punishment, lecture, shouting. But nothing is really working. Why? Hi, I'm Kashi Sandhu, your parenting coach and mother of two beautiful children. With my practical experience and first hand experience, I understood the parenting in a better way. And in my study, if I'm talking about psychological study these days, I'm doing. I am working on some theories that I wanted to share with all of you because it was so interesting that I thought of making a series on that. And today I am going to start a powerful new series, which is 25 psychology concept. I will tell you that every parent should know. It will be a 21-day series and four bonus videos I'll give you. And these concepts will help you to understand your child brain, reduce power struggle, and build the real connection without shouting and without guilt. Do you know why your child is behaving, why he's doing tantrum, and why he's not listening to you? Just all depend upon psychological thought process and the way you interact with your child. And when you update or understand the psychological concept, parenting will become very easy and peaceful. So this series will be a 21 days learning journey, and every Friday and every Tuesday 9 p.m. I'll be posting the videos because it takes time to create a videos and edit that and make it proper. That's why I have kept only two slot in a week, and it will be available on Tuesday and Friday at 9 p.m. And I'll be giving you four bonus video in which I will explain certain psychological concepts also, and one last video which is the conclusion of the series. So what this all series, this powerful psychological concept will help you, it will improve your child behavior. Your children will become confident if you are behaving the same way as it is said. So it can strengthen the emotional and um, the bond between you and your child. It can create a strong emotional bond, and it will help you to reduce the power struggle between you and your child. Mostly the power struggle is happening between mother and child because father is hardly available, but if he is available then he's also facing the same kind of things because these days nobody is thinking I dad hai, he will come and then he will beat nothing. So what you will learn why children don't listen, how you can improve the child attention span, how attention really work, how labeling your child identity or labeling your child affect their identity, how to build self-esteem, and how to raise emotionally strong children. So new video will be uploaded as I told you every Tuesday and Friday at 9 p.m. on my YouTube channel. You can connect and you can share with your friends, your family, and those who really want to understand parenting in a positive way. Why understanding parenting is very important, let me tell you, because if you are understanding parenting, you will help your children in a better way. And if your children are already helped in a better way, they can raise a generation, future generation, in a better way. In this way, we are not contributing to our family only, but we are contributing towards society also, because one bad fish can spoil the complete pond. So if you are raising a child which is mentally emotionally strong, they can raise a emotionally strong family, and in this way the society will become calm and compassionate. So I hope you will give lots of love to this series. Learn with me, grow with your child, and see the I'll see you in the first video, and let me check how much love you guys will give me in that videos. And learning and unlearning is the parenting journey. Those who learn and unlearn, they will grow, their family will grow, and they will serve the society in a better way. So happy parenting, love you all, bye bye. See you on 17th The series is starting from today 17th, and see you in the first video on every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.